Hello and good day to everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to add RSI indicator to your trading view. Before that, quickly I just want to mention our sponsor MEXC, $525, down in the link down below. Go spend it on their website. Also, FTMO. Want to trade with other people's money? Want to keep the profits for yourself? Go there, prove that to them, and you're in business. So, RSI, the relative strength index, a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes. I think that's pretty much clear to everybody that's using it, and it's quite popular. Let's first add it before we say anything else. Click on indicators here, just type RSI, whoops, relative strength index, click on it, bam, it pops up. As you see, it reads from 0 to 100. Traditionally, it can be interpreted that the volume of 70 or above that sign is overbuying, and it indicates a trend change. And under 30, it's an oversold. Pretty much the opposite. As we can see, here is the 70 line, here is the 30 line. And let's start from here. You can see where it peaks above 70, it drops after that immediately almost. That's the trend reversal. As long as it's in between, you can say that it's a relatively steady market, but the moment it peaks, you see, it goes down. It reverses the trend. Same as here. Downtrend, peaks on the bottom, and it starts going up. That's pretty much it. How you define to export it further, if you want to change its settings, etc., that depends on you. Anyways, this isn't any financial advice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.